Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Football Manager 26 not launching or won't launch, crashes as a startup, freezing problem, black screen issue, or not loading or stuck on loading screen on Xbox consoles. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. Go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Solution 2. Clear Football Manager 26 cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Football Manager 26 game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Next solution is to clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, click on Persistent Storage and then click on Clear Persistent Storage. Now if you don't see these features on your Xbox console, then skip this solution. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to General Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch Football Manager 26 and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch Football Manager 26 and see if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6. Run Football Manager 26 from store instead of running the game from Xbox Home. To do this, type Football Manager 26 in the search bar and click on it. Then click on Launch Game and see if this helps or not. Solution 7. Switch network connection. If you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot. Tip: if possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in General tab select Network Setting, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on Manual. Click on Select Port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check if it solves the problem or not. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in the General tab select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, go to DNS Settings, then select Manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS and save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to reinstall Football Manager 26. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Football Manager 26 from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve Football Manager 26 not launching or won't launch, crashes at startup, freezing problem, black screen issue, or not loading or stuck on loading screen on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.